What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to install the RV Pro Signal Booster by SolidRF. Join us, won't you? Step 1, acquire all-purpose construction adhesive from a hardware store. Step 2 is a soft install assembly of the product. Pre-assembly for the antenna is as simple as running this cable through here, attaching it to the bottom, lining up those bolt holes, and then using the appropriate hardware included to connect it. Attach and tighten the 3 screws on the bottom. Now we're going to attach the antenna base to the base plate. And use the provided hardware. Just up here on the roof doing a soft install on the booster. And when we check on the back of the inside antenna, we have a green light. So that's good. The next step is to prep your surface. After washing and allowing it proper dry time, we're going to go ahead and Gorilla Glue this base plate here to the roof. Make sure it is 12 inches, at least 12 inches, away from anything large or metal. After 60 seconds of pressure, we now wait 24 hours for it to dry.
The next day.
Okay, the next day we're back up on the roof. The Gorilla Glue marshmallow epoxy has done its job. And this plate is on here. It's on here good. First thing we need to do is attach the signal booster to the main plate with the required screws. Now using these 3 screws, we're going to attach the antenna. After that, we're going to go ahead and attach the antenna cable to antenna 2. We've chosen this location on our rig because, as you can see here, we have a vent cover. 4 screws will easily remove that cover. The plan is to run the cable inside behind this wall and out somewhere near this plug. Okay, now I've gone and plugged the next cable in, fastened it here, removed the vent roof cover, and actually drilled a little hole just up in the side here to feed down. Show them where it's fed to behind the fridge.
Ta-da! We use one of the fancy little clips that come with the package.
A few moments later.
And a few moments later, we're inside with the wall now secured better than it ever was from the factory. All we have to do is plug this cable into the back and then plug this into the wall, and it should be working. Good. It's good. It's good.
You got a green light?
Got a green light.
Ta-da! That means it's good.
And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, our cell phone booster by SolidRF is cell phone boostering. And that concludes the installation video of this signal booster by SolidRF. We'd like to thank SolidRF for sending us one of these. Click the link below for your chance to win one. And even if you don't win, SolidRF's going to send you a $50 credit off of this here item. Again, we'd like to thank SolidRF for sending us one, and we thank you for watching this fun installation video. Let's just make sure I don't fall off the roof. Bye for now. My gorilla cock. Can't use that on YouTube.